Welcome to this video tutorial on full dentures with inLab Software 20, design with individual teeth. In this video, we show how to design, finalize, and export a digital full denture. Start by setting the restoration parameters for the calculation of individual teeth. Here, you can check your parameter settings for the various contact strengths and modify them if necessary. Select Denture Base in the bottom bar to adjust the parameters here too. When you are satisfied with the parameter settings in both the upper jaw and lower jaw, go to the next step, the Adjust Morphology step. Here, you can use the biogeneric variation slider of the morphology tool to individually choose a tooth shape. If required, you can also select from the 3 different anterior tooth shapes in the upper jaw. If you hide one of the jaws by deactivating one of the 2 in the Display Objects window, then, when applying the biogeneric variation tool on the posterior teeth, you can better visualize and evaluate the morphology you wish to implement for the given case. You also have the option to change an individual tooth to another tooth with the Change Tooth tool. For example, bicuspid to a molar. We will continue by going to the Positioning step in the Step menu. You can use the Positioning tool in this step to individually adjust the positioning proposal created by the software. The teeth can be selected and moved as a group. You can choose between a linear and a non-linear movement. Groupings of teeth can be selected flexibly using Control-Shift. This allows multiple teeth to be scaled together. The Add and Remove Second Molar tool allows you to add or remove teeth again if the space situation of the patient requires this. When you are finished positioning the teeth, proceed to the Edit Element step. The individual teeth can be edited with complete flexibility using the familiar Form, Move, Shape, and Adjust Contact tools. The Incisal Variation tool is also available for the anterior teeth and can be used to individually shape the surfaces of the anterior teeth. You can display and hide various objects in all steps of the design phase. Hide the upper jaw in order to check the contacts of the posterior teeth and to optimize them, if necessary, using Adjust Contacts. In the Edit Denture Base step, a denture base is now automatically calculated based on the tooth positioning and the specified denture baseline. The initial proposal of the denture base can be edited individually and flexibly using the familiar software tools. In the next step, you have the option of displaying and customizing the connectors of the individual teeth. You can edit these using the Form, Shape, Connector Lines, and Position Connector tools. You now go to the last step of the design phase. In the concluding Finalize step, you can check the final digital denture one last time. The Form, Shape, and Recalculate tools are available for making any improvements. Complete the design phase and go to the Export phase. Here, the individual tooth segments and the denture base for the upper jaw and lower jaw are displayed. If you added a try-in the administration phase, it is also displayed as a restoration on the bottom bar. As usual, you can export all restorations directly to the inLab CAM software to a selected folder or export them as an STL file via the side menu.